Monday.com app tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you about the Monday.com app and how we can use it. So it is going to be available for the Android users and also the iPhone users. So you can go ahead and use it also on all your iPads, your phones, and etc. So we are going to start by hitting our the App Store of the phone. If you're going to be on iOS, or you can go ahead and head over Play Store on Android. It is going to be the same thing. You're going to head over here, the store, and you're going to head over the search bar of your app or the specific store and type in here Monday, just like that, .com. Click on search, and you are going basically here to see the first one, which is normally going to be the ad, and we are going to have the second one on the second place. So basically you have here monday.com work management. This is the official logo of the app. As you can see, I have already installed this app and I have set up everything. Now you're going to click on open, just like that, and you're going to see your app opened. Now, normally you are going to face up let's say here a page or a specific space that will be into the sign-in process or the sign-up. If you have some accounts or some, let's say here, or the dashboards connected or created into your desktop, you can go ahead and connect only your account and you're going to see everything in place in here. So, now as you can see, you are on the home page. We can see the different boards, dashboards, projects, and etc. in here. So this is going to be the workspace. So you can go ahead and manage the recent visited, the favorites, or the workspace itself. So you can go ahead and select the workspace, and you're going to see everything as you can see set up with the a specific order that you have set on the desktop. For example, let's visit our project. So we are going to click on the first one. Here we have the project. You can go ahead and have here, as you can see, some of the specific quick guide tour. I'm going to ignore them. Here we have the columns, so you can go ahead and change the view by clicking on the specific main table in here, and you're going to have this drop down menu. You can change the view, and also you can add whatever view that you have. So you can search for Kanban, whatever view that you have here. You can change, for example, for the Gantt view. You're going to see it right away. This is going to be a very, very specific app and also very precise app. So I have here, as you can see, a very good, let's say, point of view on it. And also the quality is not missing at all. Everything is smooth. Comparing to other project management apps or platforms, as you can see, everything is going to be in the specific, let's say, order in here. So we are going to head over the project again. Let's see here if we can go ahead and add or slide into the other, as you can see, columns. So everything is going to be the same as the PC. Here it is going to follow up with the theme that you have put into your phone. In my case, I have put the dark theme, so this is why the everything or the columns or the all theme in here is going to be dark. So you can see that we have the mirrors, the boards, and you can add some columns like that. So you can go ahead and click on see all columns, see the different categories for the columns, and here we have it. Now, you can go ahead and set up the filters, as you can see, as the same of the specific desktop version. You can apply the filters. You can go ahead and share the board, get the board information, see the board members, invite some members to the board, have the board discussion or the comments added in here, and you can have some zooms. So, now aside from that, let's head over the dashboard and see the view of the dashboard. So dashboard, normally it is going to contain all of the specific tasks regulated into one place. You can have here, as you can see, the first thing, which is going to be the chart. You can go ahead and have, I don't know here, the different charts. As you can see, you can go ahead and click on three buttons in here, and then you can make the charts a little bit bigger. So normally we can see the chart, let's say, settings, But in my case, I don't know why it is not showing up the settings, more options. Doesn't matter a lot. Maybe it is going to be the app only for the specific update, but it doesn't matter a lot. Now, as you can see, we are going to head over the design. Also, we can see the different designs. You can add the different view, as I have mentioned before. You can add the table to that. As you can see, specific area, you can have the view of the table, the main table that you have added. You can go ahead and modify whatever text or piece of, as you can see here, a column that you have. For example, for the column, I can go ahead and modify the specific name of the column like that. You can go ahead and see the persons that are responsible or assigned to that column, the status of it. I can modify also the date. As you can see, I can modify whatever I have in here, attach some files, have some instructions that I have added before on the desktop, and add more columns. So like here you can go ahead and add some sub items or some tags to categorize this specific column, or see all the columns. So you can all go ahead and update an or not update, but comment with an update for here, for example, topic or task. For example, we're going to put a task done, just like that, and we are going to have it updated, so you're going to see it just like that. You can get some notification, as you can see showing on the screen in here. If you have some replies or some updates, you can allow these type of notifications, so it is going to have everything set up. Also, for the files, you can go ahead and see all type of files that you have added to that specific column. Now, for the group of columns, also it is going to be modifiable and addable. So you can go ahead and add a task, or you can go ahead and decide and add a group of tasks. So you can add the name of the group. For example, we are going to put a test, and then we are going to click on add, and that group is going to have some tasks. So we can go ahead and add maybe a task. We are going to name it SA, for example, or let's say here, let's change it to SAS or SAAS, which is going to be maybe the I think the social media right there, management account. So you can go ahead and have the same columns as you have. Also add more columns if you like. Now, aside from that, you can go ahead and have, as you can see, my work from the menu items that you have saw on the desktop version. So you can have here a resume of today's video, the past days of videos, the boards that you have, followings, and etc. You can check up for the notifications and get some more of the profile. As you can see, for the update feed, the team, in here you can manage the team. Click on here and message them. I think that you're going to have the email address of them, and then you're going to message them, not on the platform. And also you can go ahead and have the language, the admin, and wherever. As you can see, things that are going to be very, let's say, something that you're going to need and not going to watch only. So for the apps, also you can go ahead and integrate the some of the apps if you want to add. For example, here the apps, I think that you can go ahead and add them. If I'm not wrong, I think, but if I am, it is going to be something like that. So you're going to click on here, the plus button, item, column, group. This is not it, but you can go ahead and head over here and search for example, let's say here a specific app. I'm going to type in Power BI, but I cannot see it. So for the apps, it is going to be limited with the adding. So we are going to ignore that. You can go ahead and add, for example, from the main menu in here, when you click on the plus button, a digital asset management, as you can see, a board. So majorly you are going to add board. For example, these are going to be only limited for creating boards, not dashboards, but the boards only, not project, not everything. But the heavy, let's say, tasks are going to be made with the desktop, of course. So no need to worry about that. So as you can see, we have the pre-made boards. I think it is going to be limited for the things in here that are going to be matching the screen of the availability and also accessibility of the phone. And here you have it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.